Good morning everyone. It's currently 5 a.m. We are leaving Los Arcos. I thought I would wake up a bit earlier this morning because I had the thought last night, really wanna try to get to Gragnon by Monday night. To Santiago. Pitch black, cannot see nothing. However, I think this is the best time to walk. Nice and cool, quiet. And actually I can see where I'm going. It's not too bad. So this town down here is called Sansol. I'm going to be stopping there. Hopefully there's somewhere open to have some breakfast. Anyway, I've been walking for pretty much slightly more than an hour. Nice and cool at this time. It's perfect. Actually, if I could, I would probably wake up at 3 to do it, but thing is, it's very difficult to sleep in the hostel. Many people make noise, maybe that snore. Yeah, people that open the door during the night. So my tip for that would be either bring some earplugs or some good quality headphones. Look at this. Wow, this is just incredible. I've said it before, I'm gonna say it again. I'm really enjoying this Camino. It's given me so much from the first day. From when I started in France, Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port. There's always something to see. There's a new place to discover. You go through all these little towns, as I said, that you wouldn't normally see these places. It's just incredible. You get to enjoy this peace that nowadays is very difficult to come across, because during the modern day we're always busy doing things and we do not stop and think. There's always something going through our mind, problems to solve. But here you sort of get time for yourself, walk away from all that, which is very important sometimes. Just a last view on this valley, which is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Sansol, Regno de Navarra. Sansol or Sansol. Just had a nice coffee in that bar down there. Pretty good. Not like the Italian one, obviously, but it was good enough. So let's see, which way are we going? I can see an arrow there, so I'm assuming straight ahead. Well, just gonna consult my phone. So this is the town of Sansol, which looks absolutely beautiful, which I would love to explore, but we need to go this way, unfortunately. Yeah, in the fields. But what I'm going to do, I just want to do panoramic view of this city. Put your zoom in. Here we go. I enjoy walking in these little countryside roads. As I said, it looks as if we're going to cross it, because that's where I've come from, up there, where I could see the view of this town. Must be part of the same thing. Oh, look at this. That sunrise is just incredible behind that church. Wow. Anyway, let's keep going, because when the sun comes out, it's not going to be as nice to walk in this area. I want to try to put in as many kilometers as I can before the scorching sun starts to hit. Sometimes I would just like to keep walking, but when you see a sunrise like this, you just have to stop and enjoy it. Nearly there, nearly in Logroño. Actually, it hasn't been too bad, because the temperature is not as high as yesterday, as I said before, and we've had a bit of a breeze to help us, so it's been pretty good. We are now leaving Navarra, the region of La Navarra. We're going into La Rioja. Probably takes about an hour just to enter Logroño. Such a big city. I think Logroño is just down there. I just want to say that yesterday my morale was very, very low. I mean, I was all hyped up to come back on the Camino. I did do the walk, as I said, to Los Arcos, but I didn't have the energy levels and my motivation wasn't 100%. I mean, today I'm just, you know, sort of flying all over the stretch from Los Arcos to Logroño, and I'm full of energy. I've still got enough energy to do another 25 kilometers, which I will probably do today. Yeah, I mean, what a difference. I know I was a bit tired yesterday, to be honest with you. All the delays on the airplane, I didn't have enough sleep. In fact, yesterday, when I went in the albergue, I had a few hours sleep in the afternoon, and then obviously I had my 4 or 5 hours last night. So yeah, no, what that is. Anyway, yeah, I said much more motivated and much more positive today. Pamplona, 80 kilometers from when we came, and 1 kilometer to Logroño. Let's go. Here we are, Logroño. Here we go. So far it looks like Pamplona, probably less crazy. Albergo Santiago Apostol, I think this was where I was gonna come. That I'm not staying here. As I said, I want to keep going while I've got the energy, while the weather is good. So I'm leaving Logroño. It's currently 2:10. It's going to take a couple of hours, so I reckon I'll get there by 4:30 this afternoon. Hopefully there's going to be a space in the hostel. I could potentially book it on booking.com, but we'll see. So I was over the other side of this bridge and I saw some signs. I don't know if something happened to it. They're probably just doing some works. Anyway, a gentleman stopped me at the other side and told me to go all around, so I had to do a detour. There's a bridge down there and then I had to come all the way here. And it was very nice man. He said that he has been to Italy, to Naples, that's where I come from. So we had a little chat. Yeah. I bet there's no pilgrims at this time of the day. No one crazy enough to walk underneath the sun, because I believe that the temperatures have just gone up here. Today was perfect, but now I can feel the heat. But if I can get to Navarrete, I'll be happy. So I need to do 10 kilometers, maybe 2 hours. It's doable, can be done. Just have to keep walking. Navarrete. We are nearly there. My water is hot, like as if it's just come out from a kettle. I cannot drink that. I need some water. Another Aquarius, anything. Nice, fresh water. So I reckon maybe 20 minutes we'll be there. I haven't seen anyone at all apart from a snake, huge big snake that crossed the road earlier on. That was scary because I don't know what kind of snakes are here, and to be honest with you, I don't want to find out. But with this heat, they seem to like to wander around, so I need to keep my eyes open. Anything that moves suddenly from the bushes. Yeah, I haven't seen anyone at all, so I'm just assuming no one walks at this time, which makes sense. I mean, as I said before, the heat is so intense. I mean, this morning it was perfect. I could have walked 50-60 kilometers easy, but now I regret actually moving from Logroño. I should have probably stayed there, called it a day. I just wanted to reach my goal, which is Gragnon. I always reach the goal that I set for, so I thought I would push it a bit today. But yeah, it's been very hard the last 11 kilometers, but at least we're nearly there. That's the main thing. Not sure where I'm gonna stay. There is an albergue which I've seen on booking.com. It's very cheap. It's got very good reviews, and it's got a bar, so that's what makes it very interesting for me, because I really want to sit down wash my stuff, have a shower and just chill. I won't be doing nothing at all, no exploring. I'm done. I need to take these shoes off as well. My feet are on fire. Open. Beds and food. Yes. There we go. We made it. So happy. I wonder what flag is this one. Let's hope there's space, or else I'll just sit down and have something to drink. I don't care. I'll deal with that later. So I'm exploring a bit Navarrete. I went on the bed and I was nearly falling asleep, and I don't want to do what I done yesterday. Yesterday I just fell asleep for a few hours, woke up about 7 in the evening, so I don't want to do that. I'd rather go to bed early tonight, maybe 9 o'clock, and I'm gonna wake up at 4 tomorrow, so very early, and yeah, and I'm hoping I can get to Gragnon tomorrow night. That's gonna be quite a lot of kilometers. I think it's 44 kilometers, something like that. So there's the church here. I hope I can go and have a look inside. I haven't got my credenziale on me. I could have had the stamp. Never mind. This church. Wow, it is beautiful. I think they do pottery here, because I see that statue of a man making pots.